Hello everyone, this is the 2024 Porsche 911 Dakar, a modern tribute to the rally legend. Today we're unboxing a 1/24 scale model by Bburago, the legendary Porsche 911 Dakar. This is the story of a Porsche that left the highway and went straight into the desert. Not just any Porsche, the 911 Dakar. Back in the 1984, Porsche decided to join one of the toughest races in the world, the Paris-Dakar rally. It was long, hot, dangerous, through sand, rocks, and mud. Porsche sent 3 of these cars to the Dakar rally. One of them was driven by René Metge, a very skilled rally driver. The race was hard. One car caught fire, another crashed, but Metge and his co-driver kept going. And they did it. They won. Porsche won the 1984 Paris-Dakar rally with the 953. This car, built on the current 992 generation, it combines sports car DNA with real off-road ability. The suspension is raised by 50 millimeters. It has chunky all-terrain tires, and even comes with a rally mode. Only 2,500 units were made, making it one of the rarest and boldest 911 ever. For the first time ever, Porsche gave the 911 real off-road power straight from the factory. And it's not just for looks. The Dakar comes with rally and off-road driving modes tuned for dirt, sand, and loose gravel. This thing is made to be driven hard, far from any racetrack. And let's not forget, it still has 480 horsepower and goes from 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds. One of the most eye-catching things about this 911 Dakar is the paint job. The white body combined with red and blue racing stripes is a direct nod to the classic Rothmans livery. There's no tobacco branding on the hood anymore, but the spirit of that era is still alive. It's a modern tribute to the original Paris-Dakar winner, the 953, and the legendary 959 rally car that followed. The original 1984 car had a 3.2-liter flat-six engine with around 300 horsepower, more than enough to blast over dunes and power through rough terrain. They raised the suspension, added a roll cage, a snorkel for dusty air, and strong off-road tires. It wasn't just fast, it was tough. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More legendary cars are on the way.